Okay, so how do we fix this? How do we make sure that our keyboard does not push content up? Okay, first of all, you have to go back to your Android manifest file. Just open it. Then this part here, locate Android Windows Soft Input Mode. Then instead of adjust resize, because that's what it's doing, like it's adjusting the resize to accommodate for the keyboard. Okay, all you need to do is just say adjust pan and then save it. But it doesn't do anything yet. Even if you like exit the app like this, then you open it, even if you close it and then you open it, nothing. Yeah, so all you need to do is simply this, like nothing, it still pushes. So all you need to do is this, npm run Android once again to rebuild your application. Then you should be having that fixed. Let's wait for it to finish, and then we come back again, we open it once more, and it's fixed.